Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by collecting your core items and building a practical sheet. Open Excel and create columns that reflect your review questions. Once done, paste bibliographic metadata or import CSVs so every paper occupies one row with a unique ID. Make sure to include a quality score column for later filtering. You should enter keywords and short notes as you go. This saves hours when you synthesize findings and prevents duplicate effort down the line. Now focus on normalization and extraction so you can analyze systematically. You standardize keywords and use helper columns like year bin and topic group to aggregate themes efficiently. Once standardized, apply text to columns, flash fill, and find /replace for quick cleaning. This reduces manual errors. You also extract key findings into short summary cells, paraphrasing rather than copying long passages. Make sure to flag high quality. Finish by converting your organized data into insights and deliverables. You run filters and build pivot tables to quantify trends by year, method, or topic, export charts or tables for reporting. Once done, draft a summary sheet listing top themes, research gaps, and exemplar quotes with DOIs. When ready, export selected rows to CSV for reference managers. If something breaks, check for hidden filters or merged cells first. Clearing filters and unmerging often restores expected behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.